Have a good day, Mom and Sir. I am Jacqueline Elizalde, 29 years old, graduated of Bachelor of Science and Entrepreneurship. I have three sons, and my mother is a housekeeper. My father is a farmer. I have two brothers and two sisters. For my work experience, I am a ex-Singapore. I deployed last September 27, 2023 until September 6, 2025. I finished my 2 years contract and I took care of one family, the mother and the father, and they have three children. My work responsibility there is to send and fetch the children. I do cooking, laundry, cleaning the house, and other household responsibilities. To my future employer, I ensure you that I can do household chores also and also the household responsibilities. I hope you do well today and see you soon. God bless.